In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the row formula in Google Sheets. If you've ever typed list numbers by hand, 1, 2, 3 down the column, only to have everything break when you delete a row, this will save you time and frustration. Instead of manual numbering, we'll use a simple formula that updates itself automatically, no matter how long your list gets or how often it changes. Start by clicking the first cell where you want your numbering to appear. Type each row W with empty parentheses, then press Enter. Google Sheets will return the row number of the cell you're in. For example, if you put the formula in row 5, it will display 5. That's because the row function simply reports the current row index on the sheet. It's quick, reliable, and requires no extra setup. Now, most lists don't start at the very top of the sheet. Maybe you have a header in row 1 and your actual list starts in row 2, but you still want your list to begin at 1. That's easy to adjust. Instead of just each a row, I see each row, turns 1. You're subtracting the number of header rows above your list. If you have 2 header rows, subtract 2. If you have 3, subtract 3. The idea is to shift the displayed number so your first data row shows 1, even though it might be physically on row 2, 3, or beyond. Once your formula looks right in the first cell, fill it down the column. You can drag the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell to extend it as far as you need, or double-click that square to autofill the entire range next to your data. Whether you go to row 100 or row 1000, the numbering stays consistent without any extra effort from you. Here's the best part. Those numbers aren't just automatic, they're resilient. If you delete a row in the middle of your list, everything below it renumbers instantly. You don't have to retype anything. Insert a new row, the numbering adjusts. Move rows around, the formula continues to reflect the correct row positions. It's set and forget numbering that adapts as your sheet evolves. To recap, use each row die to show the current row, and use each row w minus the count of header rows to start your list at 1. Fill it down and let Google Sheets handle the rest. With this approach, your list numbers stay accurate, even as you add, remove, or reorganize rows.